Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ray Alvarez from Shoot with Ray, and I'm in beautiful Florida. Amazing weather today, and as soon as I was about to start filming this video, this freaking lawnmower guy just started here doing his thing. But it's all right. We're gonna run with it. We're gonna rock with it. I had to pull over to show you guys what I wanted to talk about in this video real quick. But before I do, I want to send a special shout out to the latest members of this channel. I appreciate your supporting coffee. I don't have a cup of coffee in my hand right now, but I am actually gonna go get one right now as soon as I'm done filming this video. But Rick, Jesse, you guys subscribed, I believe, a week or two ago. Thank you so much for the support. Valdez ENT, Valdez Entertainment, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, the last name, but Valdez, you are the newest one, you're the latest one. Thank you so much for your support. That truly means a lot. Even if you guys support me by just buying me a cup of coffee, that means everything to me. I appreciate you even watching the videos. What helps me the most for the people who don't subscribe to the channel, I'm sorry, for those people who don't join the membership, is if you drop comments and you subscribe, and of course tap the bell to always be notified. Anyways, besides that, real quick in this video, I just wanted to talk about this piece of equipment right here. I don't know the brand. It says Mac Sports. You can buy these at Academy Sports, Dick's Sporting Goods. I got this one on Amazon. You can definitely get it on Amazon. But this little cart right here, which fits perfectly just like this. I can also get it in the other way. I can fit two of these in my car. This is my work vehicle. And this cart is a lifesaver. I'm sure you guys see it all the time at different functions, different events. Other people like makeup artists and other professionals, creatives, working weddings and events and things like that. It makes it so easy to transport your equipment. I'm always coming up with videos or ideas or things to talk about for you guys to make your experience as a photographer way better. And in my opinion, I feel like you can invest anywhere from these. I think this was like $85 when I purchased it. I could be wrong. You see these things all the time for about 50 bucks, $65, $100, but that small investment to help you carry and lug around your equipment is amazing. It comes in handy. I don't know what else to say about it. It's amazing. It's good. I'm going to link the link to this exact one here in the description below so you guys can go check it out. And if you're interested in buying it, feel free to go ahead and do that. This one, the wheels spin very easily. It's good to control and maneuver, especially in very, very tight spaces. I've seen the ones where it's like beachgoers. It has these really thick wheels. Don't get those. Those wheels are plastic. They're garbage. They're trash. Don't do that. Don't waste your time with that. But yeah, this one right here is really cool. Feel free to check it out. And if you have any questions about it, like I say all the time, drop a comment below with your question. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to shout out my newest members to the membership part of the channel. If you're interested, I have support and coffee. If you guys just want to buy me a cup of coffee and support this channel. And I also have a mentorship package where I mentor you. You have 100% access to me. You can call me, text me. We'll do Zoom calls. I'll teach you things. You'll learn things. We'll talk. And it'll be a one-on-one service where we work together. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.